If you've been on my channel, then you know that I've shared so many AI tools that can help researchers with their literature reviews, research paper writing, and even citation management. But today, I'm going to share something different, a tool that combines all these features together. It's called Roadrunner AI, and it might just change how you handle research from start to finish. Hi everyone, I am Neha Agrawal. I'm the founder of WiseUp, and today we are going to do a deep dive into the features of Roadrunner AI. When I did a walkthrough of the tool with its founders last week, it completely blew my mind. True to its name, Roadrunner AI speeds up every part of the research process, right from the first literature search to perfectly formatted citations, all under one unified workspace. So come, let's take a closer look as to how we can use it. So when you log in, this is how the interface looks, with different tabs on top for the different tools such as search, analyze, synthesize, write, and collaborate. You can jump back and forth between the different tools based on the task that you have to perform. But sometimes we just feel stuck. Where do I even start? Which tool am I supposed to use? So for that, we have Copilot. Simply enter the project or assignment that you're working on. For example, here I am typing, I have to write a research proposal on the effect of GLP-1 based therapies in people with type 2 diabetes and obesity. And Copilot lays out the complete research workflow. Which tools am I supposed to use and in what order, making every next step crystal clear. You can even chat with the Copilot as a personal research assistant. Ask about literature search, hypothesis building, or research proposal strategy, and it will guide you along the way. Now for my research proposal, Copilot suggested that I start with the literature search. So I head to the search tab and type my question. And I also choose my role. Here I am selecting PhD student, a unique feature that allows Roadrunner to customize the response accordingly. I also select comprehensive review, set the filter to past 10 years and hit search. And Roadrunner then performs a semantic search, meaning it goes through millions of peer-reviewed studies and pulls out the information based on concepts and not just keywords. Within seconds, I get a summary of what the past decade has to say about my research topic. And the platform offers some amazing options as well. For example, it has intelligent follow-ups, which helps me dig deeper into the topic. It also has a built-in AI chat assistant. So if I'm curious about a particular method or need clarification, then I can ask the tool and it will instantly give me context-aware answer. I particularly love this feature. I can also view the full list of sources, open them on the original website, cite them, save them into my personal library, and if I click on a particular paper, then it shows me the snapshot of the article with the abstract and also an AI analysis, which gives me an overview of the main findings. Another great feature is the ability to save the entire search result, share it with my team, or export it as a Word document. Honestly, this kind of flexibility is very rare to find in any other AI tool. Now, if you're working on a review paper or want to further build your literature review, then you can check out the synthesize option as well. Here under this option, you can build a systematic review, meta-analysis, scoping review, or even a narrative review. Basically, different types of literature reviews based on your research needs. All you need to do is share the information with the tool based on the predefined questions that it has, and then Roadrunner is going to compile all the answers and the selected papers into a very nice, well-structured draft that you can immediately use or even export. Now coming back to my research proposal. So I've already performed the literature review and gathered the papers that I need. And I now need to find the research gap for my proposal and also prepare a literature review comparison table to include in my proposal. So for that, I head to the Analyze tab. All I need to do here is pull the papers from my search results or from my desktop or even external links or data sets. And Roadrunner will prepare the entire literature review table for me, completely customizable. I can edit the information, I can add or delete columns, and now it has shared with me multiple research gap options to choose from as well. Now with my literature review and analysis in place, it's time to write my research proposal. So I head to the Write tab and tell Roadrunner what kind of document am I writing. Of course, a research proposal in this case. And then Roadrunner pulls together everything that I have searched for or saved till date and helps me prepare a draft. It's almost like the system is quietly learning everything that I'm doing on the platform, and that really makes it give more accurate answers over time. But the best part, I stay in full control. I can edit, rewrite, or even use the AI's draft as a starting point. And here's a feature that I absolutely love: real-time feedback. While I'm writing, Roadrunner highlights unclear sentences, checks if my claims are backed by references, and also suggests ways to strengthen my academic writing. Also, just like other AI writing tools, I can polish the language, improve the flow, and even cite as I go. Plus, I can share the document, co-edit with my teammates, or even chat with them, all within the same unified workspace. Now there are two other spaces I'm very excited to show you, features that I haven't found in any other AI tool yet. First is this Collaborate space, designed specially for research groups. Here you can create a new project, add team members, chat one-on-one or in groups, and manage tasks all without leaving the platform. Now the second space that I absolutely love is the Resources tab. While other AI tools help you save your PDF and citations, this tool lets you save everything from search strings, PDFs, external links, datasets, to even AI outputs, all within the same workspace. For researchers who have their information scattered across different formats, this can be a total game changer. I also really like the fact that there is a small help button at the bottom right corner of the screen, so that in case you're stuck somewhere or want to explore some new features, then all you need to do is again chat with this AI help assistant and it will guide you through. Also, this isn't all. The platform is brand new and the team is constantly adding new features. When I spoke to the founders, they gave me a sneak peek into the upcoming features, which is a personalized dashboard that alerts you about available grants, research trends, clinical guidelines, etc. And a journal suggestor tool that is going to suggest the best journals for you to publish in based on the documents you have written. So guys, that's Roadrunner AI, one of the most amazing and unified workspaces I've explored till date, taking care of the smallest needs of a researcher. It already offers 80 to 90% of the features that are being offered by separate AI tools right now, and the team is constantly adding new ones as well. So if you want to explore the tool, I've put the link and discount coupon in the description below for you. Now, if you wish to learn how to write a research paper from scratch, what is the information you're supposed to include under each section, which are the best AI tools that you can use in this process, and how to publish your paper in high impact journals, then you can join me for my course on A to Z of research paper writing. The link to it is also in the description. Now, if you've liked this video, I'm sure you'll like the next one as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you have a fantastic career ahead.